There you are. There you are. A king parrot in the shade. My camera can't see it. There you are. Oh, well, a bit of purple doesn't hurt. A bit of purple hue. That's 90 times magnification. It seems to purple up a bit when it's silhouetted like that. Listen to that wind. He's waiting for me to go away, I think. That's it, groom yourself. Let the sun shine on you so we can see you beautifully. Look at that bit of green on its wings. There are colours on their wings that only birds can see, because birds have got an extra cone or something in their eyes and they can see some of the, is it ultraviolet spectrum? Or the infrared, I'm not sure. There you are. It's a bit dark, isn't it? Let's wait for you to land on the earth. That's their signal. That's how they talk to each other. That special noise.